Where is? Where is? Where is the key? Where is the key? The key is on the lamp. The key is on the lamp. Where are the boots? Where are the boots? The boots are on the floor. The boots are on the floor. Where are the jeans? Where are the jeans? The jeans are next to the wallet. The jeans are next to the wallet. Where is my chocolate? Where is my chocolate? Your chocolate is in the fridge. Your chocolate is in the fridge. Where are the ice cream and the juice? Where are the ice cream and the juice? The ice cream and the juice are on the table. The ice cream and the juice are on the table. Where is the lemon? Where is the lemon? The lemonade is on the desk. The lemonade is on the desk. Where are the gloves? Where are the gloves? The gloves are in the washing machine. The gloves are in the washing machine. Where are his boots? Where are his boots? His boots are on the floor. His boots are on the floor. Where are the yogurt and the cheese? Where are the yogurt and the cheese? The yogurt and the cheese are in the fridge. The yogurt and the cheese are in the fridge. If we don't know the answer, we can say. If we don't know the answer, we can say, I am sorry. I am sorry. I don't know. I don't know.